Hi, I'm Carl Conrad and I founded Australian Immigration Law Services more than 23 years ago. For all that time, we have enjoyed helping people achieve their dreams of obtaining the visas to work, travel, study and migrate permanently to Australia. It's great to see that state governments are opening state sponsorships for skilled migrants. Today we're going to talk about Victoria State Sponsorship, which opened on the 11th of August 2022. And of course, these state sponsorship programs are about the 491 and 190 base visas. And if you're not sure what they are, go and check out our extensive library and have a good watch of our videos. There are significant changes in this year's program compared to the last couple of years and even the pre-pandemic requirements. The main changes is that this year's program is available for both onshore and offshore applicants. This is great news for our subscribers outside of Australia. Also, there are more eligible occupations compared to the last 2 years' programs, as the restricted target sectors have now been scrapped, and thank goodness for that. A simpler registration of interest process has also been introduced. Remember, if you're in Australia, you need to be living in Victoria. For the 491 visa, you must be in regional Victoria, and for the 190 visa, any part of Victoria. There is no specified level of time you need to be residing in Victoria. So how do you get a nomination for Victoria State Sponsorship? First, you need to submit your expression of interest, the EOI, on the Immigration Department Skill Select system. Then you need to submit an ROI on the Victorian State Government website. You can only submit one ROI for the Victoria nomination, so you have to choose between 190 or 491 visa based on what is more suitable for you before you submit the ROI. From the information you have provided in your ROI and EOI, the state will choose the most suitable applicants for visa nomination. These selection rounds have already begun and will run until May 2023. When you submit the ROI, the state will look at your age, English language level, years of experience in your nominated occupation, education, occupational skill level, partner skills if applicable, and salary level. The request for your current salary level is for onshore applicants only. Remember, when you are filling out that salary level, it's talking about where you are working in a skill level 1 to 3 occupation in Victoria. If you're not working in that skill level, then you are meant to put 0. At the moment, the state nomination is available for all skilled occupations, but please remember that Victoria is still prioritising these occupation groups: healthcare and social services, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, STEM, advanced manufacturing, digital and innovation economy, chef, cook, accommodation and hospitality managers for the 491 visa, and early childhood, secondary and special education teachers. Remember, all regions in Australia like to see that you are committed to their state or territory, so it may not be advisable to tick all the state and territory box on your EOI. Make sure your skill assessment, English result and other documents used to claim points are not going to expire soon. If you get an invitation to lodge your visa, but when it is issued any crucial document like English skill assessment, PY certificate or NAATI certification has expired, then you have probably just wasted your chance of a successful visa application. For the 491 visa, if you're already in Australia, you must be living in regional Victoria and working in skilled employment, that is ANSCO skill level 1 to 3 in regional Victoria. For onshore applicants for the 190 visa, you must be living in Victoria at the time of nomination. For the 190 visa, it is not a requirement to be working in a skilled occupation, but obviously it's better if you are. For offshore applicants, you don't need to worry, this is not applicable to you. For the offshore applications in 491 nominations, at the moment the state is prioritising occupations in the health sector, but that does not mean that your ROI will not be considered. Matter of fact, the state is encouraging applications for all occupations, so submit your ROI if you are eligible. So how to apply? It is a 4-step process for both visa nominations. I covered the first 2 steps before, which are: you need to submit your skill select EOI, then submit your ROI using the EOI number. Once you submit your ROI, if you are selected, then you will get an invite from the state of Victoria. Then you will need to submit a nomination application in the Live in Melbourne portal. There is no nomination fee charge for Victoria. It's funny, isn't it, that Victoria's state nomination website is called Live in Melbourne. On the login page it says, register to enter Live in Melbourne community, where you can apply for Victorian visa nomination. So what about a regional community? Don't they matter? If your nomination application is successful, you will receive a notification of the state's decision via email. then quickly comes the Immigration Department's invitation to lodge the visa, and you will need to do this within 60 days. If you need advice on the Victoria State nominations or in fact anything relating to immigration matters, please book a time to consult with us by visiting our website at australiavisa.com. Come follow us on Facebook as well, and also take a look at our blog pages on our website for more fascinating information stored there. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care out there, and I'll see you next time. So bye for now.